Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis recently, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's nasty movement, updates need to be made, and I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of these lines because the movement today was so bad that these levels up there are now totally irrelevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So we'll just start over new from areas of support and resistance. First level of support, nothing fancy, nothing complicated at all. It just was a matter of where did the bleeding finally stop, and that occurred right down there at $1.83. And the bleeding began with the gap down, and then when the price opened up there, it just kept going down and down and down, and finally did get the bounce back to the upside. Problem is that bounce totally rolled back over, but again, got that much more confirmation that $1.83 once again did hold strong. So, does that mean that it's guaranteed to hold going forward? Of course not. No such thing as a guarantee. My point is that there's going to have to be a whole lot of downwards momentum apparently if that level is ultimately going to be able to, be broken to the downside. But as of right now, $1.83, very stubborn area from the support side of things. So keep an eye on that going forward. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, a very cut and dry level to watch, and that it makes sense why, just right there at the good old fashioned round number of $2. So you can see $2 earlier on in the day presented some problems. And then again, with this very nice bounce that occurred, surprise, surprise, that bounce ran out of momentum right at the $2 mark. So that is, very clearly an area of resistance. If the price can break above there, then the next overarching level to watch would be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. You can see it's got quite a track record of knocking down the price, and that's currently valued at $2.19. But first level, before anything else, got to get up above that $2 mark. So let's see what happens with this one going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.